How to stop Safari sharing your data. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and then scroll down and you will see the option for apps. So tap on the apps option you see there and then scroll down again and navigate to the Safari option and tap on it. Now, in this particular interface again, scroll down and you will see the option for share across devices. So simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for share across devices, and with this, Safari will stop sharing your data across devices. So this was how you can stop Safari from sharing your data. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.